One of our tips that we use in our group is called the 4Ds of quitting, which are delay. So delay that cigarette. Oftentimes that craving will pass. Distract yourself with something. So when a craving comes, you distract yourself by getting busy with something else. Sometimes just taking a few deep breaths helps that craving to go away. And also drinking water can be very helpful as you're doing something with your hand to mouth. So those are our 4Ds for today: delay, distract, deep breathe, and drink water. The Quit Smoking group, it is a support for those that would like to quit or reduce their smoking. We come together as a small group and share ideas, our journey. We have an educational component where we talk about how to deal with triggers, how to deal with stress, cravings. Maybe we're having trouble with sleep. So we discuss all those sorts of parts of quitting and learn from each other. And it's been very helpful when people can also receive free nicotine replacements. We have patches, gum, lozenge, inhaler for 6 months, and we meet each month. So join us.